This, driving on the interstate, driving on the freeway, this is the most important component, keeping that space in front of your vehicle. Your job on the freeway is not to go as fast as you can and drive like a stock car driver. That is not your job. Your job on the freeway is to try and keep a constant speed. And I'm going to show you that keeping space in front of your vehicle, people are not going to move in front of you all the time. Every now and again, they're going to move in front of you, but for the most part, you can keep that space in front of your vehicle and keep yourself safe, because by keeping that 3 to 4 second following distance in front of your vehicle, it allows you to read traffic patterns of what's going on in front of you. For example, it's congested and backed up. You can see here that it's starting to break loose. All right, so straight through or to the right, the lane marking there, and I've got this person in front of me off my front corner here. I'm going to move over to the left and start getting out into the express lanes. And you can see that the person here in front of us is moving over as well, so then we can regain our space behind that white vehicle in front of us. And it's just keeping that space in front. Other vehicles can move around you. Like this car in front of us is being crazy, changing lanes and whatnot, taking off. They're going faster than us, and we're just hanging back. Everybody else is going fast. And we can see way up there that the traffic is actually backed up. It's congested. All the traffic is close together. The reason we know that is because as traffic begins to slow down, the spaces between the vehicles gets smaller. That's how you know it's slowing down. So now it's opened up again and we can start to get going here. And now we got a big truck up here in the lane next to us on the left. The fast lane, the fastest lane is pretty much going. We got a couple of cars in front of us, but we got good space behind us. The traffic is moving about 55 miles an hour, 90 kilometers an hour. So there's no point us getting really super excited, because we're really not going to go anywhere. And we got that 2 to 3 second following distance in front of us. We can measure that right now. Just keeping that space in front of us. Got a car behind us, nobody on our right, one vehicle on our left that we just passed, and we're going to start moving left to get out into the express lanes here, because we want to head west through Toronto towards London. Shoulder checking, 3 flashes minimum on the signal, and moving over. And we can stay in the collectors. We don't have to get right out into the express lane right away. The collectors will run along the express lane. Good space in front still. The truck's moved over. The taxi cab is taking off. We got a BMW harangue coming up on us here on our right side. So we're not going to move back over. We'll just let them move around us. They're actually slowing down for the car in front of them. We're going a bit faster here. We still got good space in front of our vehicle, and the Beamer is pulled in behind us. So as soon as I get a chance to get back over so that car can go past me, I'm going to get over to the right and open up this lane here again. But again, that space in front of me dictates how fast I'm going to drive. And again, we can see here in front that the traffic is backed up again, and I was going to move over there, but the guys moved right up beside me behind the taxi driver. And this again is one of the things that doesn't facilitate traffic flow. I was going to move over so this guy could get past me. Now the guy's sitting right behind me and I can't get over. He's decreased traffic flow because he hasn't allowed me to get out of the hammer lane, but now I'm just gonna speed up and go past. And you can see I've still got that space in front of me, and the BMW behind me that come tearing up there has kept his or her space behind me as well. But now we can tell that traffic is gonna start slowing down. We got brake lights in the left in the express lane over here. And even though it's on the other side of a concrete barrier, take note of that. Brake lights on the big truck, vehicles moving over. We still got good space behind us, and we're doing 68 miles an hour. We got brake lights in front of us, traffic slowing down. So again, it's more important to keep that space in front of you, because you're gonna start rushing up on the group of cars in front of you. So we're checking over here, making sure there's nobody gonna move in front of us. We can see another lane of cars over here. This is the collector lanes over to the right. We're coming in here on the left. We're picking our spot. I'm picking my spot behind this cargo van here. And I shoulder check again, and we're good. Okay, I'm okay in this lane. The continuity lines have stopped, so my lane's going to continue, which is fine. But I don't like being in the extreme right lane when I'm driving on the freeway. So the car's going tearing past me here. Another Audi coming here. I'm going to let him go. He's moved over into the next lane because I left my light on. Okay, and we're in behind the big truck. I don't like being in behind the big truck. First and foremost, the semi truck's not going to be going as fast. Signal on, truck's coming past me, and I shoulder check and merge over. See how close that pickup truck was to the car in front? I don't like that, so I just let them go, pushing that car down the road. So I was back down to 55 miles an hour, got my space, reclaimed my space in front behind the pickup truck, I just got around the semi-truck. We can see that the brake lights are coming on again here in front of us. So we just have that space in front of us and we don't have to slow down. There's a lot of characteristics and traits of freeways that keep you safe. All the traffic is in one way. There's no slow moving vehicles on the roadways, and there's lots of lanes of traffic, and all the overhead signs are there. All of this is designed to reduce traffic crashes and allow you to travel at high speeds. For another video, click here, and remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.